Hilti has made one giant leap forward in the way adhesive anchoring is done. Introducing the HIT HY-200 system. Inadequately cleaning holes during installation can reduce the performance of conventional chemical anchor systems significantly. Hilti Safe Set Technology eliminates this factor almost entirely in both cracked and uncracked concrete and with anchor rods or post-installed rebar. Holes that clean themselves? Hilti's revolutionary TECD and TEYD hollow drill bits combined with HIT HY-200 and VC2040 vacuum make subsequent hole cleaning completely unnecessary. Dust is removed as you drill, providing for faster drilling and a virtually dustless working environment. No cleaning required? The new HIT Z-Rod eliminates the need for hole cleaning altogether. Its unique shape works as a torque control bonded anchor in hammer drilled holes. Drill the hole, inject the epoxy, install the anchor, and move on. The Hilti HIT HY-200 system with SafeSet technology provides outstanding load values, equaling anchors set using traditional installation methods, and is up to 60% faster to install. Less steps, less time, less room for error. Leave those traditional anchoring methods in the dust. Hilti HIT HY-200 system. A small step for contractors, a giant leap forward for your next job. Hilti, outperform, outlast.